Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So here we have the little Alfa Romeo. It's Giullieta. It's a 1.4 TB turbo progression, Euro 6 start-stop 5-door, 1.4 petrol turbo, manual 6-speed, 55,000 miles. Drives like new this because it was serviced. We've got history at 30, 43, 45, 46, 47, 49, 52 and 54,000 miles, and it's now done 55. So very good service history, lots of oil changes, comes with 2 keys, new front tyres, new front brakes and 2 new front suspension arms because there was a tiny little bit of play in those at the last MOT. Currently MOT till the 28th of August, but we've done everything that we can think of. It's just had money spent on it all its life. Lovely car, drives absolutely like new. Nice in black. It's got the black cloth trim, rear park sensors, load covers in there, alloy wheels, not curved or tatty. All 4 tyres have got lots of tread on. The front ones are brand new, so are the brake discs and pads. Not stone chipped or tatty on the front in any way. Beautifully clean inside. Got the black cloth sport seats, 2 different types of cloth. Got the button down there for your sport or dynamic and your normal and economy. Multi-function steering wheel. Got DAB radio, Bluetooth, music playback and some connectivity down there for auxiliaries and USBs. Super clean inside this car. Electric windows front and rear. Comes with 2 remote keys, 2 keys to the car, rear park sensors. Nice and clean, parcel shelves there, boot area, lovely, spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, toolkit, all in there. No dents down the side, paintwork's really nice. A very well looked after car. Hope you can see that from the pictures and the video. And it drives like new. Another unmarked alloy wheel. This one's unmarked as well with the new brake discs and brake pads and new tyres. Electric windows, electric mirrors. That's the alloy wheel locking keys in there. Leather steering wheel, lovely. Oh, it has just come up 56,290 miles. I said 55, it's done 56. Last serviced at 54. Air conditioning's nice and cold. Nowhere to the driver's seat at all. £5,650 for the Alfa 1.4 TB progression. Lovely car that. Right, please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other cars in stock. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.